station makes way for songs by talented independent bands and artists. Get introduced to some of the most promising names in original Filipino music. Future legends. This is Indie Ground. Indie Ground. If you're an unsigned artist, let the monster give you or your band that much-deserved radio airplay. Submit your original songs now by visiting facebook.com/indiegroundph. Facebook.com/indiegroundph.
You and me. Gotta say I'm a fool.
The monster believes in the future of OPM. Indie Ground PH. Indie Ground. Only on Manila's hottest Monster. RX 93.1.
Indie Ground. Indie Ground.
Fresh Filipino discovery exclusively heard on the Monster.
Indie Ground.
Nag-iisa, lagi na lang nawawala ang sigla. Bakit hanggang ngayon ay sinisinta? Di magawang humanap pa ng iba. Wala na bang pag-asa pang makita ang aking mahal? Kahit saang lupalo pupuntahan, ang hanap ko'y ikaw lamang. Kaya mo bang maghintay? Makarating sa dating tagpuan, sandali na lang mag-abang. Nariyan ako sa tamang daan. Tirami ng nasasalubong na ibang nilalang. Lahat sila'y aking na natanungan. Tuloy pa rin ako sa paroroonan. Kaya mo bang maghintay? Makarating sa dating tagpuan, sandali na lang mag-abang. Nariyan ako sa tamang daan. Kaya mo bang maghintay? Makarating sa dating tagpuan, sandali na lang mag-abang. Nariyan ako. Kaya mo bang maghintay? Makarating sa dating tagpuan, sandali na lang mag-abang. Nariyan ako sa tamang daan.
Sandali na lang by Happy C. Are you a fresh artist? Got fresh music? Be discovered and be heard. Send in your demo on facebook.com/indiegroundph. Facebook.com/indiegroundph.
What happened? What happened on the Morning Rush?
No. Ako, inabutan ko pala as a kid yung Cocomelon.
Ako, Peppa Pig, that's why I talk like
I can converse.
I can converse.
The Morning Rush. The Morning Rush. KBB Golden Dove Awardee for Best Comedy Program. Catch it Monday to Friday, starting at 6 a.m. on Manila's hottest Monster RX 92.1.
Level up your semester and tell your friends you love the drama.
Gonna love the drama.
Monster RX 93.1 is inviting all college students to Game Boy. Ready? Radio 1, a monster mid-set mixer hosted by Manila's hottest DJs and student jocks. It's multiplayer. Get to party and play games with the coolest student jocks from all over Metro Manila, teamed up with your favorite monster jocks and student jocks at Versus Barcade, Uptown Parade, 9th Avenue, BGC on September 26th, Friday, 8 p.m. onwards. Get ready for boss-level music and maxed out vibes. For table reservations, contact Versus Barcade Reception 0956-083-9166. So, are you game? See you at Versus for Game Boy. Ready? Radio 1, a monster mix-and mixer. From the station that plays the soundtrack of your student years. Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.
We are the Student Jocks of Radio 1.
We are the student jocks of Manila's hottest Monster, RX 93.1.
Learning about music radio broadcasting firsthand in the Monster booth
And giving you your crash course in cool school affairs. Radio 1.
Radio 1.
Catch the Radio 1 Student Jocks.
Catch the Radio 1 show every Saturday afternoon. You're welcome to enter the chat and join the fun.
giving you a crash course in cool school affairs.
Radio 1.
Radio
The
1.
Monster special like no other. Only on Manila's hottest Monster, RX 93.1.
Boy, let me know what this is, can I say? Could it done between